Welcome to PlayShine Kids.
Let's learn counting 1 to 10. How many worms do you see? 1. That's correct. 1. How many umbrellas do you see? 1, 2. That's correct. 2. How many ladybugs do you see? 1, 2, 3. That's correct. 3. How many flowers do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. 4 flowers. How many bunnies do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. 5 bunnies. How many raindrops do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's correct. 6. How many grasshoppers do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. 7. How many baby chicks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's correct. 8. How many snails do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's correct. 9. How many birds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's correct. 10 birds. Well done. Great counting.
Thanks for watching.